There's an amazing project on GitHub called WSA Builds that makes it incredibly easy to install the Windows Subsystem for Android, WSA, with Google Play Store integration, not just on Windows 11 but also on Windows 10. This project offers a range of WSA builds, both with and without Google Play Store. So, whether you're a Windows 11 or Windows 10 user, this tutorial will cover you. Plus, the project is actively developed and provides detailed installation tutorials and even a guide on updating. Are you ready to dive into the world of Android apps on your PC? Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right WSA build. The first step is to head over to the WSA Builds project on GitHub. This project provides a comprehensive list of system requirements so you can ensure compatibility with your PC. Once you're on the project page, you'll find a variety of WSA builds to choose from, each with its own features. Some include the Google Play Store, while others don't. In this tutorial, we'll focus on installing WSA with Google Play Store. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process. Step 2. Installing WSA with Google Play Store. Once you've selected the appropriate WSA build, it's time to follow the installation tutorial provided by the WSA Builds project. Don't worry, it's a simple and straightforward process. You'll find step-by-step instructions on how to install WSA with Google Play Store on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Just follow along, and you'll have the Google Play Store up and running on your PC in no time. Step 3. Updating WSA builds. Keep in mind that when you install custom builds of WSA, you won't receive updates automatically through the Microsoft Store. But don't worry, the WSA Builds project has you covered. They have a dedicated tutorial on how to update your WSA build manually. Following this tutorial will ensure you stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. It's important to keep your WSA build current for the best experience. There you have it. By utilizing the WSA Builds project on GitHub, you've successfully installed the Windows Subsystem for Android with Google Play Store on your PC. Now, you have access to a vast collection of Android apps and games right at your fingertips. Remember, whether you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10, the WSA Builds project has got you covered. Make sure to check out the installation and updating tutorials provided by the project to stay informed. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities and enjoy your favorite Android apps on your PC. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, like, follow, and leave a comment.